Let's spin it again. That's a close. Good luck. 20x on cash on from the top slot. Wow. Is it real? What? What? Is it real? Oh, let's go to check it if it's real. Welcome to the cash-in, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, let's take a look at our multipliers. We have 20x from the top slot, right? So let's multiply them by 20x. What is the highest one? 2000x. Best of luck. They are spinning right now. Yeah. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, time for you to make your decisions. Choose the one you like the most if you cannot choose. Lots of people choose it for you, but this is insane. This is definitely insane. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Let's reveal the mystery. I mean, I do not see where are the 2000x. I see 1000, 2000 is somewhere.